Good evening, everyone. I hope you're having a fine night or day wherever you're at. Just checking in here now because I just wanted to say thank you to Roger at Canadian Drone Hub and Kim at Furball Kim for letting me rip it up at their place today. It was freaking awesome, and actually the first time I ever flown with anybody in my life. So yeah, that was quite something. So looking forward to going back there. Thanks so much, guys. And also thanks Kim for the 4 lipos. Yeah, check that out. Kim was kind enough to give me 4 lipos that he wasn't using that I can make good use of. Thank you very much for that. That was a very kind gesture, and I'll make good use of it. And also he gave me some antennas too for my transmitter or my receiver. Very cool, and thanks for the fudgicle, Roger, and everything else, and your hospitality. So really looking forward to going back there again this summer to fly with those guys and to rip it up again. And I'd like to thank Kim also for letting me use your quad. So yeah, here's some footage from that. Take care.
It must be getting early. Clocks are running late. Paint by number morning sky. Looks so phony. Dawn is breaking everywhere. Not a candle, curse the glare. Draw the curtains, I don't care, 'cause it's alright. I will get by. I will get by. I will get by. I will survive. I see you've got your list out. Say your piece and get out. Yes, I get the gist of it, but it's alright. Sorry that you feel that way. The only thing there is to say, every silver lining's got a touch of